Okay, here is a long version of this strange anomaly. It just looks so weird. The moon is up here, and the sun is going down over here. And that is something happening in the sky. It just looks really bizarre. It's April. I think it's April 8th, 2025. I just think it looks so wild. It's completely different than the clouds around it. Keep on driving by me. That's what you hear. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's fascinating. I hope you're having a great time, whatever you're doing. Life is full of amazement. Yes, 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 yes. I also think we need peace in the planet. We need peace and love and ethics and truthfulness, wisdom, as we look at bizarre, interesting stuff in our lives. Love to you. Bye-bye.